my name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to open up your sunroof. It's kind of embarrassing for me because I've just realized how to actually open it. This is based on a subscriber that wanted me to do a video on a stuck sunroof. So this is going to be part one of two video. I'm going to show you the basic of how to open up the sunroof, and I'm going to show you how to use the control to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and change views. And we're going to actually look at the sunroof control, which is here. And right now we have the sunroof actually open up, but not fully. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the control and this. Now let's go ahead and close it. So we're going to close it by taking this and pushing it forward. And we're going to see the sunroof actually closing. So I'm going to go ahead and actually push it down. And that's to actually move it backwards. And then open up the rear. All right, so I'm gonna actually close the rear by pushing this down, and you can actually see the sunroof actually close. But I'm gonna actually open up the sunroof, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this and I'm gonna push back this way. So let's go ahead and push back this way, and now we have the sunroof actually open up. So I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close it again. So let's go ahead and we're gonna take this, we're gonna push it forward, and we can actually see the sunroof actually closing, actually going down, and now the back is actually closing. And if we want to close the cover to make the car a little bit dark, we're gonna go ahead and push this down like I'm doing so. I'm actually seeing the sunroof actually closing. So this is part one of two of the sunroof, and the second video I'm going to show you how to actually diagnose this and actually how to fix a stuck sunroof. But for now, I want you to subscribe and like, and hopefully you learned a lot, and talk to you soon.